Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are in the mix, ladies and gentlemen. We are headed out to Cameron, North Carolina. We got 10 yards on here. Say it's supposed to be for a slab pour, but we shall see. We shall see. All right, you guys, we are pouring out. Looks like should still be pretty easy. It's just me filling this guy up as he pulls up. Fairly easy job. It's a little warmer today, so didn't plan on doing our wheelbarrow work, but that's all right. Basically just me filling this thing up. Filling the bucket of this Bobcat up. Just over and over. Nothing really extremely crazy. But I want to try to find me a better pedestal to kind of sit my phone on, since I'm trying to do this new style of documenting everything. Nope, that's horrible. We're gonna stay right here somewhere. Yeah, right there. That's not bad, huh? Yeah, I don't think that's not a bad angle. But I just usually take me a seat and just make it easy, make life easier. Shit, I don't want to make my life any harder than it already is. So any chance I got to make my life a little bit easier, that's what I'm gonna do. Even if that means taking a quick seat. So he wants.
You can back up some more.
Huh?
You can back up some more.
So he wants me to add 10 gallons and then back up. So I'm gonna add the 10 gallons first. That's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna add those 10 gallons, and then he wants me to come back some more, so probably somewhere in there-ish, in that area. I'm guessing they probably gonna start over here in this far corner. Makes it a lot easier for them to just, pour themselves out. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna move. The sun is beaming. Let's see if we can get it to beam on me. Yeah, we gonna do it that way. We gonna get this water down a little bit, and we're gonna move. And I'll be right back with you guys. All right, you guys, we are still pouring. Then my bad. It's been a very crazy day, as you can see. Hitting the wrong levers. We are approaching the end though. The end of what I got, at least. We still gonna need another 10 yards or so out here. maybe less. It's a great chance that it'll be less than 10. Either way, these guys are moving. Let's swing that over to him. Get him filled up. Poquito más.
Ayuda carretera, le doy un hielo. ¿Ah? Okay.
How far are you going with it? How far are you going? You just gonna close this in?
Yeah, this way.
And you got 6 more yards coming?
I think 7.
No, I just heard him load them up. All right, you guys, we are adjusted. We have moved. More. We're gonna have 5 more gallons, guys. Probably got to come like right here. So yeah, they're gonna use the wheelbarrows and the Bobcat, which works out good for me. It kind of keeps me here a short amount of time, even though it's still a long project. This here will kind of keep me moving a little faster, I guess. That there should be 5 gallons, or about. Roundabout. And yeah, so he's gonna pour over there, and I think he's gonna pour it to this way. So should go fairly quick. We will see though, you know, no guarantees when you're dealing with wheelbarrows. I hear you, dude. Almost.
Como quiera, de una vez, le voy a usar aquí para allá también.
That is it. Or is it? This one here should be the last one. Let's get an autograph while we run the rest of that out.